I just wanted to ask Nigel what it was that you liked about the vehicle.
Okay, it's a nice compact vehicle, nice size to drive, it's nice and comfortable, it's very intuitive to drive, all the controls are very much to hand.
Cool.
It's even got nice little things like the automatic gearbox, it's very refined.
Yeah, it's all built to a very high standard.
Yeah.
And nice materials and everything, isn't it? I even noticed that you got like nice grabby bits on the steering wheel. So, it's
it's a nice chunky steering wheel, a good feel. Obviously, you've got satellite navigation as well as standard, which is great for me because I'm always getting lost.
I think I can beat you on that, Nigel. I get lost in the shoebox. But yeah, that was one thing I was going to touch on. Actually, is the spec in this car is unbelievable. It's got Android Auto and all the mod cons and it's brilliant. You got a 10-inch display on the radio, and you've got an electric handbrake, and you've got a very Swiss gear lever there. Nowadays, it's just a little stick, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a tiny little stubby gear lever. Because it's obviously an electric gear selector nowadays.
It's brilliant.
It's got auto lights on it as well.
So
You
fantastic.
don't need to worry about turning lights on and off.
That's good.
And what a lot of people also like as well, it's got micro C USB connectors to be able to either charge your mobile phone or connect it.
Fantastic.
Android Auto or Apple CarPlay as well.
You can tell you're in a modern car when it's got USB-C connectors.
Yeah.
No more 12-volt adapters.
No.
That's great. It really is. It's a nice car. Has it got LED headlights as well?
Can have LED headlights. It's got obviously LED daytime running lights as standard.
Cool.
It's an optional extra sort of LED headlights as part of they call it a media pack. But yeah, it's an optional extra as well.
And this will be available on Motability.
Yes, it's going to be available on Motability, or you can purchase outright, whichever you wish to do.
Brilliant. And for more, if you'd like to find out more information, you can head to the Brotherwood website, which is brotherwood.com, or Twitter, which is at Brotherwood Auto, and the Facebook page as well, which I think is also at Brotherwood Auto. But the best way is to go through the website, which is www.brotherwood.com.
We also have vehicle videos on YouTube as well, Dan. You
must check out the YouTube channel as well. Yeah, for more content. But thanks ever so much for driving me around today, Nigel. It's been nice to catch up again, mate. Thank you for all your help.
Pleasure.